Hey everybody, what's on, girls? Come on, V05 tonight. And if you guys want to see my updated products for my locks, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so yes, I am back with some updated products that I'm using, my current lock products that I use at this point. I'm not saying I'm becoming a product junkie, but it looks like I have more products than I was starting with. But you know, I don't want to get back into that because, like I said before in my other videos, I don't want my, since my hair is in a lock formation, I don't want my locks to be, enduring all of that, stress with all the products and trying products, stuff like that. I don't need all that. But sometimes I kind of dibble and dabble on some things, but I know there's been a lot of changes, so I'm going to show you the changes. Okay, I have most of the products here, probably all the products, hopefully I do, but I'm going to show you. Okay, so we're going to start off with the apple cider vinegar with the mother. I'm gonna get closer. All right, so this apple cider vinegar with the mother. Okay, you guys know. Sometimes I use this. I don't use this all the time. You guys know I did a lock bath with the well, I did it with lemon and baking soda and stuff like that. And this is what it is right here. And so yeah, so that's just basically about that. This is the shampoo that I use. Is very affordable. I just did a review on this. This is the V05, so that's what I currently use at this point. Okay, and sometimes I use this, but I don't use it as often. This is the Design Essentials protein and henna. I did a review on this as well. I don't use it as often because it is a little pricey, so I try to keep that on the side. I was using this, the Aveeno baby washing shampoo, lightly scented, but this don't do nothing for me. I don't know if I did a review on this, but I mean, it has natural oat extract. I mean, I guess this beats a blank if you don't have anything, but I just keep it around just in case. The stuff we're going through now, I may have to use it. Okay, so I will keep this around. I'm not gonna throw it away. All right, so yeah, so it does beat a blank, so I just keep it. Okay. All right, so this is my infamous locking gel, the Jamaican mango and lime. If this will focus, okay, I really do like this, but a lot of people say that gel isn't good for the locks because it can cause a lot of buildup. But if you use it the way you're supposed to, I mean, I only use a little bit. I don't OD on it, and so that's why it lasts me a long time. So any gel products I do use lightly, and the next time I use it is 3 weeks down the line, and most of the time I'm clarifying. Here is the Obia. Yes, I've been using this for years now. You guys know I did a review on this a long time ago before I had my locks, and this is just a refresher spray that I spray my hair with. Sometimes I just use basically water, but if I decide I want to grab this, I'll grab this and keep it moving. I think I have one more bottle left because I remember when we had the Black Friday sale a while ago, I bought like about 6-8 of them. So yeah, because they was like really cheap. So the next time she has a Black Friday sale, I'm gonna get it. Hopefully this mess is over with. You guys know what I'm talking about. This whole thing, quarantine out here. And I do use the olive oil. I do use olive oil sometimes on my hair, on the locks itself, on the scalp, and things of that sort. I don't use a lot of things on my scalp. Sometimes I forget to put oil on my scalp. So yeah, I use Jamaican black castor oil sometimes. I don't use it all the time, but I have to start using oil. Sometimes I get a little lazy. But I do use this, okay? All right, so this is the Lock It Up. I have the Lock It Up. I did use this the last time, but I did a review on it, so please check it out. But I didn't use it the next time when I did my hair again. I used, I believe, the Jamaican mango and lime. I did not use this. You guys will see why in the video, so I will link it down below or somewhere in this video, so I ain't gonna say it now. Okay, so go check the video out. Okay, that's why I made the video, so you gotta go look. If you ain't look, go look now. All right, so this is the Do Girl. I don't use this, but I may use this. This is the Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. So I think I showed you guys this before, but I'm kind of introducing it to my hair, so I probably will use this. We shall see. And I also use almond oil sometimes, sweet almond oil on my hair. I do use it sometimes. You guys can see I love oils. I've been loving oils since, you know, before time. And that's just basically, and I think I'm pretty much done. All right, so basically that's basically my hair products. I usually I did use the garlic shampoo before, but I don't have any on hand right now. I think I do, but if I don't, I have to go buy some. But I'm not gonna buy anything right now. I'm gonna just wait. Maybe the Indian store that I usually go to, maybe they're open, so maybe I could buy some from there. But at any rate, those are the products that I have been using, and that's just basically it about that. I don't know if it seems like a lot of products, but it's not a lot of products as I used to use when I was, you know, a loose natural and I was a product junkie. But I think I'm pretty good where I'm at right now. I believe I had another gel that I wanted to try, but I'm scared to try it because I don't know, I'm just scared to try it. But did I do Lock It Up? Hold on, hold on, y'all. All right, so I had another product called Tighten Up. Hold on. So this is new too. So let me show y'all. Okay, so Tight Hold. Let me know, have y'all used this? Now, the smell is okay, and it's like a white. It's white. Okay, you're not gonna see it because everything is white. It's called Tight Hold. Let me know if y'all use this. I don't want flakes. Like, that's the scariest thing. I hate flakes. Because I be like, I washed my hair. Actually, I'll clarify my hair. Why am I seeing flakes? So, I'm not saying that this produces flakes, but to go see my video for Lock It Up. Okay, this is Lock It Up, and this is Tight Hold. So let me know if you guys use Tight Hold. I have not used Tight Hold. So I have 3 lock-in gels here. So we shall see about those. Well, the lock-in gel, you know, Jamaican mango lime, you guys know I like. The Lock It Up, yeah, gotta watch the video. And the Tight Hold I haven't used. So yeah, so basically that is the products there. I hope you guys enjoyed. What products are you using? These products, hopefully they don't grow anymore. Hopefully that's it, okay? Because these are more products than before, okay? So, you know, I'm like, am I becoming a product junkie? I don't want to do that, but I'm not. Let me sit back. But yeah, so I am not becoming a product junkie, y'all. Don't worry. Don't fret, my pet. Okay, sorry. But anyway, I digress. So yeah, so I am done, you guys. I'm out of here. And basically, I'm going to get up out of here. And I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, so this is my natural products. Oh, well, not natural, but these are my products that I use for my locks. And if there's anything I forgot, I'll definitely answer it in the video. What do you use for your locks or for your hair? Are you becoming a product junkie? You know, and have you tried any new products for your locks and X something out and tried something else? Or are you just going to stay the same? I try to stay basic and simple as possible. And I use basically water too as well. And I drink water as well. So it's like, you know, yeah, that's basically about that. So yeah, so I'm done, you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, that is watching. Peace, bye.